I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, RecTech family, Chef Greg with you. Today we have a great recipe in the Bullseye. We're doing blackened snapper, and we're using the Sear kit. We've got the Bullseye set on full. Our Sear kit is set so the flat side is up. So about 5-10 minutes, that Bullseye is going to be good to go. So to prep our fish couldn't be any easier. When we picked this up this morning, we asked our fishmonger to go ahead and remove the bones. We've also gone ahead and had them scale it, but it's always a good idea as we're going to eat this skin is take the back of a knife and run it to make sure there's no scales, because again, you really don't want to eat those. So to make this cook really even and get that skin good and crisp, there's a couple things we want to do first. We're going to take a sharp knife and we're going to score the fish. We're not really cutting into the flesh of the fish, just scoring it enough so that that fish doesn't curl up on us. So next step, I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, just enough to have the rub stick. And we went ahead and made our own blackening spice. And the reason I recommend making your own spices is you really want to avoid some of the extra salt in those. You can also use the Asian Persuasion. It's a delicious rub. But we want a little heat on here. Okay, so we'll be pretty liberal on both the flesh side and the skin side. And we'll let this marinate about 15 minutes or so. And by that time the Bullseye is at max temp, our fish will be ready to go. We'll see you at the Bullseye. All right, so we've taken our snapper off the Bullseye, and to recap, we went about 4 minutes the skin side down because we want to get it good and crisp. Flipped it over, let it go for another 2 minutes. Look how delicious that looks. That skin is good and crisp, nice and rendered. This is truly some delicious blackened snapper. Okay, we'll cut it in half. You can see how juicy and flaky this fish is. Look how moist that is. Some beans and rice, a little jambalaya action. This would be on point. Snapper is delicious. Grab some blackening spice, grab your favorite fish, give it a shot.